Looking for the perfect makeup brush set in 2025? In this video, we review the top 3 best makeup brush sets to help you achieve flawless looks with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these sets offer quality, value, and performance. Watch till the end for our top pick and tips on what to look for before buying. Let's dive into the best beauty tools of the year. Number 3. The iconic London Luxury Makeup Brush Set is a true standout in both form and function. From the moment you open the box, the glamorous high-shine gold finish and sleek, stiletto-style metal handles exude luxury. The aesthetic is eye-catching and sophisticated, with each brush featuring the iconic logo that adds an extra touch of elegance. These brushes are crafted with high-quality synthetic bristles that are velvety soft, densely packed, and flexible enough to blend makeup seamlessly. Whether you're applying foundation, bronzer, or setting powder, the brushes pick up and distribute product effortlessly for a flawless, airbrushed finish. The set includes 9 versatile brushes, designed specifically for face makeup, making it suitable for both beginners and pros. What really sets this set apart is the combination of beauty, performance, and practicality. Users rave about how soft and durable the brushes are and appreciate that they're easy to clean and work on all skin types. Although the unique handle shape may take some getting used to, it quickly becomes second nature and even adds to the control during application. If you're looking to invest in a premium brush set, the iconic London set is absolutely worth the splurge. It's a must-have addition to any beauty lover's collection. Highly recommended. Number 2. The BK Beauty X Angie Hot and Flashy Travel Brush Set is a must-have for anyone who wants high-performance makeup tools in a compact, travel-ready format. Featuring 5 essential brushes housed in a sleek, vegan leather pouch, this set combines luxury, functionality, and thoughtful design tailored for mature and sensitive skin. The synthetic bristles are ultra-soft, cruelty-free, and gentle on the skin, while the wooden handles and aluminum ferrules provide a solid, ergonomic feel. The A101 contoured foundation brush and A506 concealer brush work wonders with liquid or cream products, blending seamlessly for an airbrushed, streak-free finish. The set also includes perfectly shaped brushes for blush, eyeshadow, and crease detailing, making it a complete face set for travel or everyday use. Customers love the premium quality, often comparing these brushes to high-end luxury brands. The compact pouch keeps everything organized and has extra space for essentials like mascara, eyeliner, and a small eyeshadow palette perfect for travel. Though slightly on the pricey side, the durability, minimal product absorption, and superior performance make it worth every penny. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned pro, this set enhances your routine and delivers pro-level results on the go. Highly recommended for quality, convenience, and style. Number 1. The Sigma Beauty Makeup Brush Set is a compact powerhouse that delivers professional-level results in a sleek and travel-friendly package. Featuring 5 essential brushes for the full face including foundation, concealer, blush or powder, contour, and highlight, this set is ideal for anyone seeking flawless application with minimal effort. Crafted with high-quality synthetic nylon bristles, these brushes are soft, durable, and 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The polymer-based handles are lightweight yet sturdy, and the brushes offer a streak-free, smooth finish that elevates your makeup game instantly. Each brush feels luxurious in the hand and provides precise control, whether you're blending out foundation or sculpting your cheekbones. One of the standout features is the cylinder travel case, which doubles as a brush holder. It's not only protective during travel but also incredibly convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Users love that there's even extra room to store mascara or liquid blush inside the case. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup artist, this Sigma set delivers exceptional performance and portability. Easy to clean and quick drying, the brushes maintain their shape and softness after multiple uses. With Sigma's trusted reputation for quality, this set is a smart investment for everyday beauty routines or travel glam. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best makeup brush sets of 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and product reviews. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite brush set or any questions you have. Stay glam, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video.